So our business has been running for probably about 3 years now, and that was my trade. I was a welder for a long time, and then sort of left that after doing about 10 years and getting into something else. And yeah, so our business mainly is just about welding, just getting contractors, contracts, and yeah, just we specialize in just a whole bunch of different welding. So the biggest challenge for me and Dawn, I guess, sort of both working in the business, was I put a lot of energy in, a lot of thought, a lot of time, and I was growing it, but at the same time Dawn wanted to support and give as much as she could into the business, but my communication skills was, less than the best. But then with the coaching and everything, all these ideas that I was helping me work this business, just with the strategic planning, with the goal setting, now I had this sort of product that I could give to Dawn. It's like, this is what I'm thinking. And then Dawn could just see systematically what the business was, where our goals were, what we needed to achieve today, next month, next year. And then for her, it's just like, man. So it really helped communication and helped me sort of figure out what I actually needed to do, because I was trying to do 100 things at once. When with the coaching and the just amazing tools we got from it, it was just like, okay, this is what you need to do first. What do you think about this? It's like, actually, I've never thought about that. So there's a lot of mindset growing and just good wisdom around how we can do the business better. Well, for me, feelings, how I felt, I just felt sorry for Dawn, because straight up, after getting all this sort of organized, like in my mind, the business was just chaotic. I was trying to do 100 things, but then it just simplified everything. And like Dawn said, just put a good structure in, and I just felt like, man, I can dream bigger, but Dawn can come along with the journey, because I'm explaining to her, these are our goals to getting there, and just actually having systematical goals to get to this big, amazing dream. It just helped like sort of just bring a lot of confidence in a lot of the things where I was like doubting myself, or and just having the wisdom from other people with the experience and knowledge. I just felt like, man, this is a great journey. I felt confident, I felt empowered to make decisions and do things that I didn't really do before, and it all came out within the first 2 weeks of achieving some of these small goals we set. We saw the business just transform literally overnight with new things that came up, and I was like, why didn't we do this earlier? We've really enjoyed our experience with high performance training and coaching. The big thing for us, we will definitely recommend it to other people, because I've already recommended it to pretty much everybody I know that has a business, because a lot of them may be further ahead than we are, or maybe just starting business, but it seems that we all have the same problems. We have this idea, we have this amazing product, and we can sort of work it out in the way we do, but when I share what high performance training coaching has done for us, they're like, that's exactly what we need. We just need someone to sit down, just help us, and that's the big thing. You don't come and change our business, but you sit down with us and these are some things that we can change. How do you feel? Is this what you think the business would look like? And it's just a lot of mentoring, but just journeying alongside us, and we will definitely recommend